Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to make marbled paper. It's super fun and easy to make, especially when you're bored at home. So let's get started. Today you are going to need paper, shaving cream, ruler, paper towel, baking pan, paint. You can use food coloring, acrylic paint or watercolors, and a paintbrush. First, get your pan and shaving cream out, and you're going to spray the shaving cream on the pan about the size of your paper. Next, using your hand, you are evenly going to spread the shaving cream. Taking your paint and paintbrush, lightly apply the paint on top of the shaving cream. Using the end of your paintbrush, you're going to swirl the shaving cream to create the marbled effect. You can either swirl left to right or up or down. Grab your piece of paper and place it on top of the shaving cream. You will need to massage the paper to get all the paint on there. Grab the top of your paper and lightly take it off of the shaving cream. Then grab your ruler and take the shaving cream off. Any remaining cream can be taken off with the paper towel. You may repeat these steps and can even reuse the shaving cream to get more color. Thanks for watching! Make sure to comment down below if you tried this DIY and tell us how it went.